He survived Jacure and he gave her STD allegedly. Let's get into it.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Hey my peeps, Wagwan, welcome back to the Leak Scoop where every story matters. So before I get into this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. So this young lady, she is very popular on social media. She came out publicly and said that she is a survivor of an incident involving Jacure. Jacure is a Jamaican reggae singer and songwriter, best known for his smooth, emotional reggae and lover rock style. Jacure's life and career have included serious legal issues, which also influence how some people interpret his music and public image, despite his music remains influential in modern reggae. So these are claims shared by her. So this is her story of her encounter with Jacure. Let's take a listen.
Selective from jury, the man I say this, that, and the third. This is serious accusation, and then the man that check me and tell me say, man shoot me in my face, and your friend them a bad man and this and that, and I was like, oh my God. Fuck say, I was willing to even give you my back door and you was willing to invite two other women over. You should me say you're just greedy and disgusting, because what more could you even want? I fret the whole time. And tell me say, no, I'm there, I'm gonna come there for me and stuff, and I fret, I cry, I call people, I tell them if anything happened to me, please report him, it's him do it. Up until this day, no man never scared me so yet like that man did. No man never scared me so yet like that man. That was very, very scary. I'ma find him government name. I'ma tell the police say this man is harassing me and threatening me, and I don't know what to do. Anyways, the police call the man. When the police call the man, the police basically a flirt like him is some fan or groupie. You know, them type of man me I talk to, and this police it not go work. I just go home, I lock myself in for about 2 weeks. I not go nowhere at all. They end up give a friend the recording of him and threat me, and the friend leak the recording.
Let me just call her back when I done put on my clothes.
I can't sleep on the phone.
Me not say I can't sleep on the phone, but me just say me gonna call her back.
So you have somebody to want to talk to?
So after you say somebody like that, you know, okay, you see me when I want to see me? You see me when I don't want to see you either.
Me? I want to see a drunk like you, because I can't bother. What I'm going to do, you put your stay at Marina. You see you not on again. What?
So why are you threatening me like this that me confused about?
Your mother big stinking pussy wall.
Why you treat me so for like you feel like me are some weak fencer? Me don't know if because me so calm, make you feel like say, me don't know you feel like seriously.
What you going to do? You feel like there's some boy we are rapid?
Me ride my pum pum and scratch out my bumbo clot. Pum pum smelly, crotch smell like fish. Green discharge, fishy and green. That was how bad it was. But I forgot one hospital. The lady tell me say I want something named trichomonas. That's what them call it, trick. And they give me one injection. Same time when I realize say, you know that I go and me text the Dranko. And me say to him say, Dranko, you know say give me something too. And him block me.
So this is some of what she had to say. She had said a lot more. If you want to watch the entire video, go over her YouTube page. I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. She came out with some serious allegations about Jacure, and they should be understood as allegation unless confirmed by court findings. But this is her story, and she is sharing her experience of what she went through with Jacure. As of right now, Jacure is in prison in the Netherlands, serving time related to a 2021 stabbing incident. Recent court ruling have extended his sentence of around 8 years and 4 months and appeal for attempted murder. As of right now, he is incarcerated in the Netherlands, not free touring or living elsewhere. Oh my God, guys, this is a lot. Like, leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's chat. But before I go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until next time, peace out.